Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's enter and tap on digital well-being. And as you can see, actually right at the top we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, and as you can see I've been using it for 10 minutes. What's more, we've got two different ways to check some further details. We can tap on the graph directly or on the app, because here at least in my case right now I've got only the settings, because most of the time I've spent on the settings. But if you will use much more apps, then your device will list them here. So as I said, we've got two different ways to check the details. First of all, let's tap on the graph, and as you can see, after that we will be transferred to this graph, let's say weekly graphs, which will show us for how long we've been using the device every day, for how long we've been using it. And of course here we've got most used apps listed. We've got also notifications received and times opened. Let's get back. And as I said, the second way to check the details is to tap directly on particular apps. So for example, in my case, settings, and as you can see right now, again we've got the dashboard, we've got the graphs, but connected only with one app, which we've chose. We can check the daily and weekly data. Under it, we've got your goals. We've got also ways to disconnect, and I would like to focus on them a little bit more because they are quite useful. And it simply means that if you will need actually the time for yourself, you'll need to rest, work, or I don't know, sleep or something like that, then you will be able to set the focus mode. For example, the work time, the me time, bedtime mode, you will be able to add another. And it is very useful if you will know which apps are most distracting for you, I mean from which you're receiving most notifications, then you will be able to disable them. You will be able to set the schedule. So for example, maybe work time. So as you can see, you will be transferred to the notification access, so allow the notification access. Let's get back, start. And as you can see, you will be able to pick the particular apps in which you really think that are most distracting for you. You will be able to add them here. You will be able to set the duration. So for example, that you want to set 1 hour or 2 hours, whatever time you want to. And in this particular time, your device will simply limit the notifications. So it will not show you any info about those apps. So you will be able to simply focus. Under it, you've got also check on your kids. So you've got the parental controls, which you can enter from this step. So basically that's all. This is how to check total screen time in your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.